In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Zoho Desk Org ID. If you're managing customer support or help desk services with Zoho Desk, knowing your Org ID is crucial for various configurations and integrations. It can sometimes be a bit tricky to locate, but don't worry. We'll walk through this step by step to make the process as simple and straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Zoho Desk. To begin, simply open your preferred web browser and head over to the Zoho Desk website. Once you're there, log in with your credentials if you haven't already done so. Having access to the right account is essential because the Org ID is tied to your specific organization within the service. Once you've successfully logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the interface. You should see a gear icon which denotes the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that icon. Accessing the settings menu is crucial because it provides all the tools needed for customization and management of your Zoho Desk environment. Within the settings area, you'll want to locate the developer space. This might require a bit of scrolling or navigating through the menu options depending on how your settings are laid out, but once you've found it, click on it. Developer space is where you'll find all the backend configurations, and it's highly useful for developers and technical personnel interacting with Zoho's APIs. After you've opened the developer space, the next step is to find the section labeled APIs. This is a critical area for those looking to perform integrations with other software or systems, as it contains all your necessary API information. Click on the APIs option to proceed. In this section, you'll discover the API plan details. It's in this specific area where you'll be able to see your Zoho Desk Org ID. The Org ID is displayed alongside other critical information related to your API usage and capabilities. It's a handy reference point for making sure any integrations or technical tasks are correctly aligned with your specific organization. And that's pretty much it. By following these simple steps, you can easily find your Zoho Desk Org ID. Make sure to keep this ID secure and accessible, as it plays a vital role in your Zoho Desk configurations and integrations. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're feeling confident about navigating Zoho Desk's interface to find the information you need. Remember to revisit these steps whenever necessary, whether you're setting up a new integration or managing your existing APIs. Thanks for joining me today, and good luck with all your Zoho Desk endeavors.